Less than a second. That's all it takes to change the whole trajectory of your life when driving. Always stay focused and composed when driving to avoid any harm. In this video, you'll see crazy car crashes and shocking moments on the road, so sit back and enjoy.
Whoa! Whoa! Holy crap! Holy crap!
The red vehicle didn't check their mirrors, which led to all three vehicles crashing. Checking mirrors would have taken a split second, and it caused huge consequences. Not something you see every day. Not sure what happened here, as the car that crashed didn't even brake before hitting, only sped up.
Whoa! Fuck me.
Manual recording will now
That
start.
was so bad. What was he doing?
I have no idea.
He's a noob too. What do we do?
No, okay. You wanna check these folks?
Oh my gosh. And she's barefoot too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Watch two brainless idiots take each other on during a dispute on the road. The semi-truck wasn't happy that the car wants to merge and then refused to let him overtake. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Definitely gives me. I don't even know what the f just happened. Oh my god. I gotta move my bike. I don't even know what to say. What the f do we do? What do you need? I'm good. This is total as a McLaren will get. I don't think I can do anything at this point. That is the craziest I've ever seen.
Total idiot destroying his expensive vehicle, most likely rented by the way he's treating it, and possibly drunk too. Chain reaction of crashes all due to one idiot who wasn't paying attention. This guy's tires let him down on the freeway, causing his car to flip 7 times, but luckily he left unharmed.
Yeah! Yeah! I know.
Crazy police chase caught on camera where the suspect jumps out of his car mid-drive.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Great idea from the semi-truck to stop right in front of oncoming traffic.
Somebody come
Oh my god, what the fuck is that we're doing?
It feels like
This guy literally stopped in front of the
Somebody
train.
come get her.
He stopped right in front of the train. This dude's trying to get fucking plastered.
Idiot.
What? Oh my god, that's... Dude, what the fuck? I gotta look at this driver. I gotta look at this driver. Like, literally gonna get plastered. What? People... Oh my...
Awful reaction time from the BMW. Car pulls out right in front of an oncoming van.
Must be what's going on. Two television hosts.
Oh, shit!
Talk to him with the baby. Telling him congratulations.
He tried to act cool and tough, staring the other driver down after nearly hitting him too.
转弯这样子转啊，两个站。快气死了！
The worst lane switch I have ever seen. Near miss on a car who doesn't know how to time his lane switches.
And Jenny, you know how recording out of the back. So just looking at the back.